Very good. Today we will learn the sounds of A. What is this? A. What is this? A. This is A, no? This is A. This is also A, and this is also A. So today we will learn the sounds of A. Okay? Okay. Now, so how to pronounce this? A. How to pronounce this? A. How to pronounce? A. Once again. A. Okay. And its example, let's see. A and T. And. A. And. Then A double P L E. Apple. Not apple. Apple. A. What is this sound? A. What is this sound? A. So and apple. And apple. Then and here see. R-A-T. R-A-T. Rat. 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 A. Rat. Rat. Okay. Then here. What is this sound? What is this? F. A. T. Fat. Fat. A. This is what? A. So A. No. So fat. F A T. Fat. Fat. F A T. Fat. Once again. What is this? Ant. Apple. Not apple. Apple. Rat. Fat. Okay? Okay. Now. What is this? What is this? Fan. A F dash N. What will be here? What will be here? What will be here in the middle, in the blank? A. Very good, Sahajat. Very good. See, fan. F A N. Fan. A. Fan. F A N. Fan. A. No. A. So fan. N is there. So fan. Okay. Fan. Okay. And here, what is this? C A T. Cat. C A. So cat. C A T. Cat. Okay. Okay. See here.
Yeah!